Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of portable CD, DVD drives with the BUNUD external CD, DVD drive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's kick things off with the unboxing of the BUNUD external CD, DVD drive. Inside the box, you'll find a sleek and compact device designed to bring back CD, DVD functionality to your modern laptops and PCs. What makes this drive stand out is its versatility. It's not just a CD, DVD drive, it's a 5-in-1 wonder. With an independent SD/TF card slot and 2 USB ports, you can easily transfer photos, videos, or music directly from SD/TF cards to your computer or external drives. It's a real multitasker. The BUNUD external CD, DVD drive is a workhorse. It supports reading CD, VCD, SVCD, CDR/RW, DVD/RW, and burning CD plus or minus RW, DVD plus or minus RW, and more. With a max DVD-ROM drive reading speed of 8x and a max CD-ROM drive burning speed of 24x, it's got the power you need for your media needs. This drive is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 7, XP, Linux, and all versions of macOS. Whether you're using a MacBook Pro, Air, iMac, Mac Mini, laptop, or desktop PC, the BUNUD external CD, DVD drive has got you covered. Ease of use is a priority with this drive. It's a plug-and-play device, thanks to its USB 3.0 Type-C connectors. Simply plug it into your USB 3.0 or USB-C port, and it's good to go. No need for external drivers or additional power supply. Portability meets style with the BUNUD CD, DVD drive. It's ultra slim and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The embedded data cable is both practical and convenient, and the anti-slip rubber pad keeps it secure on your desk. Concerned about reliability? BUNUD has got your back. They offer a 1-year quality guarantee and a 60-day full refund policy. If you ever run into issues with your CD, DVD drive, their friendly customer support team will have you covered. In conclusion, the BUNUD external CD, DVD drive is a versatile and reliable companion for anyone who still values their CD, DVD collection or needs a convenient way to transfer data from SD/TF cards. Its ease of use and compatibility make it a fantastic addition to your tech arsenal. That wraps up our review of the BUNUD external CD, DVD drive. What do you think of this handy device? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.